everyone, I'm very excited. I got a webkinz. My first webkinz has the kinz clip. I got the charcoal cat. It's awesome. It's very cute. I'm just gonna unbox it too, so I'm just gonna get this out of the way. Let me just wait a minute. I bought it at Justice, where almost all webkinz are. Oh, it's so cute. I feel weird because of the tag. Man, let me just get it out. Oh, I think we just cut through. I don't want to cut through the webkinz. Scared to rip her leg. Let me just take this off. I'm trying to do this quick, guys, because I don't have time. I haven't had time for videos, so. And still have to adopt her, but I'm not gonna do a video of it. Oh my god, these are hard to get off. And still have to cut through this. Okay, finally, here it is. You can put it on your backpack or stuff. It says a webkinz here, we cannot see. And it's like so soft and cute. These are tags, I'm not gonna show you. Only thing I'm gonna show you is that it's a charcoal cat. The kinz clip. I've been waiting since. Oh my god, so cute. It's like super grayish or something. Oh my god, it's so soft. Oh my god, look at her, it's so cute. Let's get the tag off again. That's what I hate about webkinz. They have this thing wrapped on their little poor leg. Hope they change it. I'm scared to rip her leg. I'm very scared. I'll be just cutting this. Okay. Have to do this. That's bad. Oh my god, I ripped him over here. Oh my god, she's so cute. Look at her face. Oh my god. Have the webkinz logo on the leg. She's so cute. Look at her tail. Like awesome. My first webkinz. I'm not gonna do a adoption video. I hope I'll adopt her. So hope you enjoy. And yeah. Oh my god, it's my first webkinz. Awesome. So hope you enjoy, and yeah. Keep coming for more videos on my channel, and see you next time. Bye.